Hi, I'm Skylar. If you want to import Microsoft Word documents to your iMac, your MacBook Pro, your MacBook Air, what have you, it's really a straightforward process. So let's say somebody emailed me this document file. If I click Details over here, I can see two things, Save or Quick Look. If I click Quick Look, it shows me just a preview of this attachment. Now, up at the top, I can see an option here. It says Open with Microsoft Word. That's because I have Microsoft Word installed. If I didn't, I would see Open with Preview or Open with Pages. If I click the button to the right of it, I can see that I can email it, message it, or AirDrop it. Great. If I just want to save it, go to Save, select the document, and this dialog appears. And choose the location to which I want to save it, retitle it if I want to, and click Save. Okay, so now the file is on my computer. It's in local memory or storage, so you could say that I've imported it. It's right here on the desktop. If I highlight it and then press the space bar, I can see a similar preview to what we saw within Mail. If I secondary click on this document, and to do that I can either hold Control and click with one finger, or press with two fingers at the same time on the trackpad like this. Then I see a contextual menu. I can open, and that will open it in the default program. If I have Word, Word will open. If I don't have Word, Preview would open. I'll select or highlight Open With. Once I've done that, I can see all the different applications that I could use in order to open this file. TextEdit comes with your Mac. Preview does as well. Pages you would have purchased separately. So let's say I've got this Microsoft Word file and I want to edit a few things. I'll choose TextEdit, which will open, and now I see the document. Take this paragraph and underline it. I want to duplicate the document or overwrite it. It's up to you. I'm going to duplicate it and rename it. The downwinders edited. Save it to my desktop. So now I can go in here and I can edit this document, make whatever changes I want to, and save it as a file that I can read either on this computer or any other. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.